Australia have just come out of the GoPro event here in Las Vegas, GoPro 2018, of course, the 9th annual GoPro event. The 10th annual is next year. And my suggestion to everybody who is involved with Skyway Invest Group as a business is to get your backside trackside next year. If you want to see explosive growth in your business, then make sure that you attend each and every event that your company puts on this year and the next. Okay, so the next one coming up is obviously the SWIG Asia Pacific Summit in Kuala Lumpur on the 9th and 10th of February. You definitely want to get your backside there, because a lot of the content that we learned here this weekend, we're going to put out for everybody in our teams at that event. So what that means is that you can hit the ground running, even if you're fresh in the business, hit the ground running and come out, and within 90 days, make your money back and be in profit. And if you want an extra $500 to $1,000 a week, a month, great. If you've got bigger aspirations than that, absolutely fantastic. We can assist you in getting there from the training that we got from here. But the biggest takeaway for me this weekend was to make sure that you attend if you've got any intention of building a business or any intention of being a leader in your business, an influencer in your business, is to make sure that you are at each and every event that your company puts on, and bring at least 10 people with you. And here's why. Every person that you bring to any event is worth $1,000 a year to you. Imagine if you bring 100 people to this event next year, that means your business already is going to have another $100,000 to the bottom line the year after. It's that simple. That's the metrics. That's why you need to be there. Have a great day.